students, today we will discuss the basics of laser. This is the topic of MSc Physics second semester and the paper is Atomic and Molecular Physics. The laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Basically, laser is a device by which we produce a laser beam, a light beam of specific characteristics. Now, we will discuss the characteristics of laser beam. In this, we can say how the laser beam is different from the ordinary beam. Number one, high intensity. The laser beam is highly intense in comparison to the ordinary beam of light. Number two, highly directional. The laser beam is highly directional in comparison to the ordinary beam of light. Then, number three, highly coherent. The laser beam is highly coherent. It means the laser beam has zero or constant phase difference. Now, number four, highly monochromatic. The laser beam is highly monochromatic. In other words, we can say that the laser beam produces the light of single color and single wavelength. Now, number five, highly focused. The laser beam is highly focused and its beam looks like a pointer. Now, we will discuss the laser action diagram. To discuss laser action diagram, we have taken a three-state laser, three-level laser. In the ground energy state, we have some atoms which do not have sufficient energy to jump and go to the higher energy state. So, to provide additional energy to the atoms situated in ground energy state, we do pumping. We incident the photon of a particular energy which can be calculated by E is equal to h nu to the atoms of ground energy state, and by absorbing this energy, the atom will go to the higher energy state. The higher energy state is also known as excited state and metastable state. In this state, the lifetime of atom is 10 to the power minus 8 seconds. After completing this time, the atom spontaneously go down, means emitted from the highly energy state, highly excited state. This phenomena is known as spontaneous emission. It is incoherent, it produces incoherent radiation, and now the atom comes down to the intermediate state in which the lifetime of the atom is 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. In this state, the atomic collision occurs, and during this collision, the atom transfers its energy to the next atom. This phenomena is known as stimulated emission, and in this phenomena, the radiation releases is known as coherent radiation. There are another important point which is known as population inversion. This is the condition when the number of atoms in the higher energy state becomes greater than the lower energy state. This condition can be achieved, and this is the necessary condition to perform a laser action.